co-accused of Pastor Apollo Kibuloy was arrested in Davao City according to the statement of the Department of Interior and Local Government Secretary in a joint press briefing today together with Philippine National Police and Philippine Army members. Gab Cabonita tells us more.
The Department of the Interior and Local Government, or DILG Secretary Attorney Benher Abalos Jr. verified the arrest of Pauline Canada, one of the co-accused in Pastor Apollo Kibuloy's case. In the joint press briefing held at Camp Crame today, Friday, July 12, with Philippine National Police Chief Romel Francisco Marbil and some members of the Philippine Army, the Secretary said that Canada has been arrested by virtue of the warrant of arrest. Canada was arrested in Davao City.
Ay nahuli na kahapon. No, siya lang po ay nahuli dahil sa police operations July 11, bandang alauna ng hapon sa isang bahay sa Emily Home Subdivision, Kabanyan. Pinapakita po namin sa inyo si Pauline Canada na isa po siya sa mga pugante na nagtago. No? At nakita po ninyo kung kaano kaimportante ang pagtutulungan ng bawat.
Pauline Canada was charged with the Anti-Trafficking in Persons Act of 2003, RA 9208, as amended by RA 10364. The authorities recently issued a reward for anyone who can provide any information regarding the whereabouts of the accused. The reward is worth 1 million pesos. Abalos, on the other hand, defended the accusations of the reward given on people who provided clues about Canada's location. He also added that it was a big help to find his other colleagues.
Maski papano ay nakatulong ang reward dito dahil nga dito sa tumawag na ito. Sa mga nagbabatikos tungkol sa reward, uulitin ko lang. Ito ay galing sa mga pribadong tao, hindi ho binibigay sa akin ito. Sila mismo ang magbibigay doon sa tao in format, hindi dumaan at malinaw po yan, inanunsyo natin yan. Ang importante ay magkatulungan at mahuli ang mga pugante. Kaya sa tumutulig sa, siguro tanongin nyo sarili nyo, ano mas mabuti? Ang tumulong para mahuli o tumuligsa?
Kibuloy's group is facing charges of child prostitution, sexual abuse, human trafficking, and acts of neglect, abuse, cruelty, or exploitation. Meanwhile, the DILG Secretary called for fugitives who continue to hide and evade the law.
At ito ang sinasabi namin sa kanila. Lumiliit na ho ang mga pinagtataguan ninyo. Lumiliit na ang mga lugar na ito dahil hindi ho titigil ang kapulisyan, ang military, ang buong pwersa ng gobyerno para kayo ay dakapin. Ang amin lang po mensahe ay please, kung talagang wala kayong kasalanan.
This is Gab Cabonita for Euro TV News.